Oh, Scarlett, it's really working. Look. Ah, I think we did it.
Go, baby.
Scar, I think we did it. Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna feel.
What? We did it. We did it. We did it. Yeah, no, we did it. We did it.
This is how you actually take off
This
your
is
gloves.
my favorite kind, too.
Look, you take it off.
I had a
like
bit of
this,
glue. Okay, go ahead. Show them how you take your gloves off.
like that.
It's overactivated. Why do you feel that way? What, we should put more glue? All right, you ready, Scarlett? Oh, we can add lotion to make it smell good. Go get your favorite lotion.